50 plus shades of nude color names: nude, nude brown, pink nude, dark nude, light nude, almond, almond milk, beige, blush, buff, cafe latte, camel, chai tea, champagne, choco chips, cinnamon, cinnamon roll, cookie dough, coral, cotton candy, dusty rose, espresso shot, fawn, frosted toffee, ginger, golden waffle, hazel, ivory, khaki, latte, meringue rosette, mocha, nude beige, nut pudding, oatmeal, peach, pecan pie, pink marshmallow, roasted cocoa, rosewood, rust, salmon, salted caramel, sand, sepia, spiced cappuccino, stone, tan, taupe, tawny, terracotta, toffee peach, vanilla custard, warm praline, wheat, wildflower honey.